Here we go. Chef Ramsay lasagna. Let's see if there's anything going on in here, huh? Not a bad cut. Didn't fight me too bad for a microwaved meal. Give it a go. Smells okay. Get deeper into it. Oh, there's a little cheese pull there. There's some chicken. Get some of that sauce. Microwave lasagnas go. Not bad. Not a bad offering. Decent sized chicken. A lot of cream sauce. It's definitely not skimping on the cream sauce. And a lot of noodles. Overall, I'll eat it. Would I call it fancy? No. It's probably about the same as Swanson's and those other microwavable ones. But it is a decent cut. A gimmick, yeah. But it's a pretty good gimmick. Have a good one, folks.